We are in our Piano Adventures Level 1 theory book, and today we are talking about the slur. Now, legato means that you play smoothly, connecting the notes like this. When they're not connected, they sound like this. Okay, so the slur is a curved line that is over or under a group of notes, and it goes over or under the note heads. It's never under or over the stems. And that tells you that you need to play it smoothly. So down here on our river melody, you're going to be drawing a slur from the first note to the last note of this line, and then from this line. And it says, draw a smiley face above each measure with the same melody as measure 1. So you're going to look for the pattern of this, G, F, E, F. So where else do you see that pattern in this piece? And then the time signature is 4/4. So that tells us that we have 4 beats in a measure, and our quarter note gets 1 count. So after each count total of 4, you're going to put a bar line in. So here at Music Me Academy, we have our super beats, and we count our quarter notes are beets, half notes are melons, and whole notes are watermelons. So it's going to be beat, 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 bar line, beat, 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 and then melon, melon. And then these are all beats. Beat, 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 watermelon. Because this set of notes here, 2 whole notes that you play at the same time, they get 4 counts. Okay, so make all of those notes on the page, and then it's time to play it. So let's hear how this sounds. Okay, so we are in our 5-finger scale position. Okay, left hand is going to float down the river first. Okay, practice that and get to playing very smoothly.